Now, next steps after that. Who tell first? Okay, who tell first? Okay, who tell first? Sri, Adira, Vedant, Agni Prabhu. Tell me. What? Sri?
Honeybee, sir.
Honey bee. Okay, you tell honey bee. Uh, लॉक कर दिया जाए हनी बी ये गलत जवाब है दिस इज द रॉन्ग आंसर नाउ नेक्स्ट क्लू ओके who till first I make it okay I make it here I this is yay Sri is it correct Sri correct is C correct. Hippopotamus, not buffalo, not cow. Wow. Yes. C is correct. I make it the. If I draw first air, you can understand. That's why I not draw air first. This very small air, like this. But hippo's face, I hope the Sri understand the face, right? See? Hippo's face so bigger. And make it like this. One, and this is the teeth, the big teeth, and they are not. Hippo never brush. I see the yellow teeth, and draw like this one line in down. The double chin like this. Okay. Okay. Okay, now it looks like a hippo, Vedant. Okay, so now the hippos. Cartoon, no. Okay, this makes this the leg, one leg, and two like this. One leg like a two. Okay, just erasing this. Okay. Yes. एक बार मैडम को पूछो आपका है क्या घर में like this. One, two. Yeah, it's a zoo only we can see, right? Yes. Yes, correct. Where is? Yeah, you can see naturally in Africa, right? Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
Four. Four. Yes. Four. Tamam, bu çok. This. Hello? Yes? Delivery answer? Please come, how are you? How are you doing? Fish. हाँ बोलो. लोकेशन पे है. अब फिश के लिए बोला था क्या? फिश के लिए. किसके? Bird आपका bird right. हाँ. टाइम नहीं है. हाँ. Just say anything is coming.
पानी गिर गया क्या?
Huh? Hi. Done that much. Just now is it almost more 3 minutes. So you can draw at home this color. Okay, done, beta. 7:15. I start the next batch. So please, you have it 2 minutes more. Okay, you can make something tree like this. Okay, like this. So it looks like a scenery kind of. Okay. So hippo in jungle.